So the way I'm making these drawers is I'm basically got all my sides the right height, and I basically put them together, and inside I'm putting this little bits of square wood, and then I'm just gonna stick this on top of it and then screw on the front in the right position, and it's done. This is polyurethane wood adhesive. Gotta make sure the cap's on after you've used it. It's very, very strong. You don't need a huge amount. So I'm just gonna run around. I've got an angle here just to make sure it's square, because the last thing you want to do is glue up your cupboard wonky. And then piece de resistance, pop that in there. I think that's going to be great. So I'm just going to run through how I made this drawer. We've got these runners, and I started off by screwing them onto this 32mm square wood, because I know that was the right size, and then basically I built this box. As you can see, I made it a little bit too narrow for this construction technique. So I've basically just gone along with a chisel and cut these parts off. It's a little bit of a bodge, but it's kind of behind the scenes stuff. What I really care about is the final finish. And what I'll do is I'll stick my final finish wood on the front, and it'll be like a giant drawer with giant drawer front, which will come out. To build this, basically I've used a smaller square wood and just screwed it from every angle from the outside in, because it's easy to do it that way. And now it just gives me a way for my fridge to easily fit in there and slide in comfortably. At the back, you'll see a backstop, because I didn't want the fridge to go the whole way out, because it's quite heavy and it starts to come into contact with what will be my flooring. So I've put basically a little backstop and a piece of wood screwed into the floor, and that will provide my backstop. Stops it going out too far, and it's just enough so I can lift the lid. I hope you enjoyed that video. We work really hard to make these videos, and we really appreciate that you helped us by supporting the content that we make. Don't forget that in the description there are a bunch of links for all the parts which we mentioned in this video, and check them out, and it will just make your life a little bit easier when you're searching for things to use for your van. Best of luck for the rest of your conversion. I can't wait to see you guys on the road.